Let me take you down into my fantasies. Baby girl, you should roll with me. Let me take you down into my fantasies. I mean, baby girl, you should roll with me. Let me take you to my fantasies. Girl, drop that down low right there for me. Stop that, break it back, girl, reverse, turn that over. Oh me, what you got, girl, bring that loose composure. I'm gon' roll out, red dogs, close out, drop that low down. Gon' drop it slow bound. I'm coming like a missile, homebound. I'm about to drop down, halo, turbulent spin round. Girl, go drop that down, girl, you know, Rihanna, babe, I wouldn't take you down. Take you, babe, fuck a Chris Brown. I can take you around, show you worlds that you ain't never seen. Let me out and we can open up limousine. I'ma pose in the lean, drinking the lean inside of the whip. Been drinking the lean inside of the whip. I hope you don't trip. She act a trip when she be behind the whip. I know she gon' trip. Every day we be down to sip. Show me the ride, she gon' float like a blim. Open it up if you space in the whip. I want you to stop right there. Breathe on me, babe, don't stop. You need to go ahead and show your loving, babe, all the way to the top. I need you to go in, girl, don't stop. Slow-mo, bring that round. Rock that boat, girl, spin that back one time. Like you a boat, Titanic bound to sink. Crash into that meteor in that ocean for me. That ice age, your love is cold, sub-zero freezing. Temperature is cold as ice and I can't believe it. I feel different, gon' show me his new views. Rolling sideways, patrolling when I'm with you. She say she want to go everywhere I do. Well, I really wanna kick it with you. There's no time and difference that I can't choose. I just hope that you just can't hope. You just hope that you just can't choose. I don't wanna fight and choose between you. I don't wanna hold my eyes, it ain't true. I don't wanna look in the sky, turn blue. I just wanna love you down, babe. Like you is for you can stay in my heart forever, babe. Let me drop it low, verse it down, break it slow, chop that up, reverse it down.